Okay, this area is super cool. Episode 3 of our road trip from Christchurch to Auckland. Today we've arrived at Te Ārai Beach.
That is so cool!
Let's go see what's in that little beach. 10 kilometers of white sand. Oh, this is crazy. And Pacific surf. Oh wow, look at this beach. And the perfect place for seashells. Join us on our journey across New Zealand on the Scenic Route. Wow. Headed to Te Ārai, I don't know, name here. And just driving from Snell's Beach, and this has a cool flower on it. Anybody know what this flower is? Winter here on the North Island, it is plus 18 right now. We have made it to the beach. It is gorgeous, and the surf is crazy. This place is supposed to be known for shells, so this is why we're here, for Fritz Pickens. Look at all these shells, Fritz.
Now the goal is to find a whole one.
We would need a whole one of those. I do believe it's scallops, and I was told this is the beach for it. Oh, shoes off? Basically tra-la-la. She absolutely loves the beach and shells. Oh, and there's already pickings. Did you find a full one? Oh, that's really close.
It's huge.
Oh, look at this. It's almost full. I might have parked in an area that I look like.
Oh, I've never seen one like that before.
Probably one of her favorite things to do is go out and get pickings, and so that's why we're here.
I haven't found any full ones yet.
Never found full ones?
Yeah.
Very
I wasn't
nice.
even on the beach when I found this
wow.
guy. Yeah, this guy's awesome. Cute guy.
And there's Bear. What do we have here, Jelena?
Full one.
The first full one.
It's very nice.
Very nice. Frit's been searching for one of those ever since we've got here. You don't really find those down on the South Island, but you sure do find more pickings up here on the North Island.
Oh, that one's good.
Look at all these new pickings, Fritz. Beautiful golden sand. Had to drive about 10 kilometers of a gravel shingle road to get here, but man. Look at this smiley, Fritz. Oh, very cool colors. Look at all these shells. Oh, Bear's ditching the shoes. Get them up there pretty high.
That is so cool.
Bear, what is it?
Good idea. It's huge though.
This is why we came here. We heard that there's big shells. Looking for ones like that are whole.
Yeah.
Finding all sorts of cool shells. There's all these bumps all over too. I'm sure it's little animals that are in the water, because if you come down, you can see there's a little hole there. I got some shells for you. Oh, what'd you find? Oh, it's a whole one. Wow.
Woo!
Some swirlies. I don't know if you want both of them or just the one.
Oh, very nice. Thank you.
Jelena's way over there, if you can even see her. Shmear.
I can't believe how big some of these would be.
Oh, wow. That would have been huge.
Oh, look, this one's cute. Oh, it's so cute.
Look at this little guy.
Oh.
Got that little guy, Fritz?
Yep.
We've explored many beaches across New Zealand, but this is the best beachcombing we've ever found. Te Ārai stretches wide, the sands before us scattered with shells beyond counting. Little did we know what lies ahead.
The tide is starting to make it to the point where I left my shoes. I hope my shoes are still there. There's Malaya's shoes. I think I see my shoes. It's there. I see your shoes. Oh, they're getting close. Ah, thank goodness. Shoes are safe. The beach that we were at, just a little bit that way, sure had started to come up a lot more. Let's relocate those a little farther. There we go. Now we'll go find the crew. You can see them through the ocean mist that way. Christine said best pickings yet. I think we've lost Christine to the pickings. We lost her to the pickings. There she is. That tide is coming up. Gotta go get the Fritz. What'd you find? Oh, that's pretty cool. Very nice. We're thinking we're gonna go on the other side of that, if we can. It was just rolling green hills. I'll get some shots on the drive home, but it was just rolling green hills on the way here. Absolutely beautiful. So I completely understand why it would take so long to drive from one side of the island to the other, because you're on these roads that are just twisting and turning around all these giant hills. Okay, this area is super cool. The ground here is 100% shells. Yeah, it's all shell. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that surf. Oh, this is crazy. Woo! Look at those waves crashing in. Cute little cove. Wow. This view is amazing. Let's go see what's in that little beach. The smell of the ocean air, can't beat it. Went and got our shoes because this ground is very pokey. Christine thinks this might be some of the best pickings that she's ever had. But look at this ground, it's just all 100% little shells.
They're so cute.
I want to go see what's around that corner. Go to check out the other side, and Fritz is having a hard time leaving all the beach pickings.
Look, your seashells in the rock.
Oh, crazy! Just seashells in the rocks everywhere. All this cool volcanic rock. It's so different. Look at all these shells. My goodness.
I'm done for the tour.
Chris doesn't even know what to do with herself right now.
I haven't found one of these. Wow.
What do you think, Fritz? Is that good pickings?
So good, I don't even know which to pick.
Oh man.
That's how you know it's good.
Bear is not even sure what to do.
I have no idea.
Look at all these rings Juliena's making herself. This is a Fritz bag of pickings. I'm guessing 5 kilograms. Malaya's going through a haul. See which one's keepers. What'd you find, my Fritz? Oh. So many cute little seashells. Oh snap, look at those rings. Made it. Made it off the rock fairly dry. But to be honest with you guys, I don't know if we're getting Mom back.
No. She went back to the other end.
Yeah, she's with it.
Slowly making her way this way, and then she went back.
We lost her to the other side. Let's go find this Fritz and see what she's picking. Look what I have found you, my Fritz. Pretty nice one.
Oh, it's very nice. It's whole.
Yep.
Very
We found some more pickings.
sweet.
And a light up candle that is lit up right now.
Yeah.
Wow, it works.
Yeah.
That was the first time I heard this out of Fritz. She's actually thinking she's going to have to narrow down the pickings. Because she's got too much pickings. Just a wee bit too much pickings. And she's not quite sure how she's going to narrow down this pickings. I have a feeling we're just taking all the pickings. See that smile? It's a good thing we took the ute. Bear is ready to go. Fritz will never be ready to go. Christine and Angelina are still on the other side of the hill. Pickens. And Bear got her hands on a camera.
Yep. That's nice.
here we have Fritz's Hall.
From rolling green valleys to endless Pacific waves, Te Ārai has revealed its treasures. Seashells scattered like jewels, and landscape shaped by time itself. These moments remind us how extraordinary the ordinary can be. Until the next journey, we leave the coast behind. Join us for more adventures on the Scenic Route.